and I have brought back by high demand. So where would you encounter minerals? Well, here's a quick video and to show you why I get to torture you with what I do. So say hi, Miss Whitney.
Hello.
About minerals. All rocks are made from more than one mineral. Geologists define a mineral as a naturally occurring solid that has a distinct chemical composition and consistent internal structure. Minerals can be elements or compounds. Gold, silver, and diamonds are 3 examples.
Minerals are non-living, so that means they were never once alive, ever. So we're solids, we're non-living. They are the building blocks of rocks, which we just discussed. They have a specific chemical formula, like you guys know of H2O, right? Like water, something like that. And they have a very specific physical structure. And the picture you're looking at, you've got lots of minerals, and Miss Whitney, you want to hold some up? We got a bunch that are here.
I have no idea if this is in the camera, but here it is.
There you go. So they are naturally occurring. They are both organic and inorganic. Do you know the difference between those terms? If you say it's organic, it just means it has carbon in it. They all have a crystal structure, with some of them have, I don't know if you guys can see this, pretty good crystal structure.
This is a better one.
Ooh, yeah, that one's a pretty one.
See?
And the big thing is that they are not rocks. Okay, you will find them in rocks, but they're not rocks themselves. So where would you find minerals? You want to do this, Miss Whitney?
Sure.
Okay.
You would find them in the earth, in the mantle, and also on the earth's surface in the crust.
Yeah. Well, let's talk about rock-forming minerals. There are 20 of them that create most of the rocks on Earth. So we have some. This is quartz right here, biotite, calcite. Oh, and you know what this is?
That's Penny's salt lick that you stole from her stall.
She's
going to be upset.
You can tell where she's licked it, right here in the middle. This is actually halite. It's another way to say is rock salt. It's actually halite as the mineral.
Okay.
Gypsum, do you have that purple one?
Gypsum?
This one, the blue one.
Oh,
The blue
okay.
purple one, yep. And talc, which you guys would know from baby powder. Chlorite and garnet. I don't have any garnets. Nice, red stones that you can wear and look beautiful with.
No.
All, remember, we said all minerals were solids. They have what's called a repeating pattern. And if they cool very fast, they have small crystals. So like these ones here. And if they cool slow, do we have any with big? Yep, perfect. Then they'll have big crystals.
Composition, they're defined by...
Silicon.
Silicon.
Yep.
And oxygen. And silicates.
Just means that's the word that combines both those things.
Oh, okay.
So some you can just have one or the other, or sometimes you have both.
Oh, okay.
Just
So if it
depends.
has one, it's silicon. If it has one, it's oxygen. If it has both, it's called silicates, not oxygen and silicon.
Yeah. I know.
Okay.
That's, we like fancy terms for a bunch of things.
Yeah, no, you just make words up.
So let's talk about uses of minerals. So we like to wear them as ladies. Yes, I have my jewels on as well. Diamond, of course, is the strongest mineral that there is, right? We ladies, we like our sparkly things. That's right.
On Earth, there are over 2,000 varieties of minerals, some of which are seen here. As you can tell, they come in a wide variety of colors, shapes, sizes, textures, and all sorts of different physical characteristics. Minerals have quite a few uses in our everyday life. Just to give you an example, this here is a rough, uncut diamond. Of course, we use diamonds for jewelry. We also use diamonds in construction applications, as the tips of saw blades, and a variety of other industrial uses. Here's another mineral. This is called fluorite, most famous for its inclusion in toothpaste. Yes, when you see the name fluoride on a toothpaste, that means it's made out of the mineral fluorite. But what else are minerals used for? Well, this here is talc. Talc is a very common mineral that is ground into a fine powder. It's very soft, and it's used in baby powder. Sometimes you might hear it referred to as talcum powder.
Because I've actually been to Bath, England. So I have healing properties of minerals.
Yep.
Some believe that you can go to mineral baths in the 19th century. In fact, there were several cities that were totally set up around these mineral baths because they thought that people could get better. If you were sick, you went there. So there's, I guess, still some in Saratoga, New York.
Yep, you can go big fancy spa, pay $1 bazillion. Yep.
Okay. And then the Native Americans also believe the same thing, so they must have had their own things. And then Bath, England, and this goes all the way back to the Romans, which was really kind of cool because you could go there and you could actually see where the Romans had set up the architecture to support these baths for their healing minerals. It was kind of cool.
Right, hold on for some videos.
The Dead Sea heals because of its high volume of minerals and salt. It has welcome to Bath, one of the most popular stops for American visitors to England. Of course, the very name of the town tells you the importance of the baths in the early history of the town.
Well, the baths were a social meeting point. People would come here maybe 2 or 3 times a day in Roman times, and they would discuss business with their partners. They would bathe, they would go into the gymnasia and the various saunas and other facilities that were on the site. Ladies could come here for their hairdressing. And
All right, you want to do the summary, Miss Whitney?
I will summarize.
All right, summarize away.
So you need to define and describe what minerals are, and you can go back to our lovely explanations, and give 5 uses of mineral.
Yep. Do you like my cartoon?
I love your cartoon.
Come on, that's funny.
It is very funny.
Thank you very much. As always, I will see you back in class.